Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. July 18, 2025, Friday Racing. Ngayong araw ng Biyernes, meron tayong 7 races. Only race 1 lang ang 1,400 meter distance. Yung race 2 hanggang last race 7 ay pare-pareho ng mas maikling 1,200 meter distance. Acknowledgement po, ngayong linggong ito, National Disability Rights Week. Starting time ng karera, alas 5 ng hapon, 5 p.m. Umpisahan po natin ang ating mga cool choices. Sa race number 1, winner take all, covers races 1 to 7. Isang 3-year-old and above maiden racers. Ang race 1 ay meron pong pentapekta at ang aking paboritong event, the Super 6 full gate. Punong-puno, 14 na kalahok ang grupong itong non-winner. At ito lang yung tanging 1,400 distance. Ang ating pong cool first choice number 13, Borderline. Second choice number 3, Brig Left Over. Race 2, Pick 6 covers races 2 to 7. Sa race 2, ang ating pong cool first choice for a surprise win. Maybe number 7, Heaven and Earth. Second choice, number 5, H.E. Holly. Na tayo ngayon sa race number 3. Sa race 3, Pick 5 covers races 3 to 7. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 2, Parisian Life. Second choice, number 3, Instant Message. Ako tayo sa race 4, Pick 4 covers races 4 to 7. Dito sa race 4, ang ating pong cool first and only choice, number 1, Super Spunky. Likod ng programa, race 5, first choice po natin. Number 1, Boss Ako Naman. Second choice, number 2, This Old Heart of Mine. At meron po tayong third choice, number 6, Trump Peter. Race 6, penultimate race na may pentapekta. Ito sa race 6, first choice natin, number 7. Humble observation ko po ay this time mapapanatili niya yung unahan, tatapusin. Cool first choice natin, number 7, Iron Hook. Second choice, number 2, I Love Mati. Race 7, Paratingan. Race na may Super 6 na naman o yung usual at regular na Super 6 sa last race. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 1, Street Magic. Second choice, number 7, Anyare. At meron po tayong third choice, number 6, Blown Away. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana sumama tayo. Thank you!